video. I know I need a trim. I haven't had a trim in a really long time. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I bought this product with my money. So this is the finished look, you guys. I actually like this product. I like this product because it's way more faster for me. I don't blow dry my hair because it takes way too long. The only thing I don't like is how hot it gets. Like, this product gets so hot, like sometimes I have to like turn it off and let it cool down. When it gets too hot, I just switch it with the cool setting also. So after using the hot setting, I change it back to the cool setting, and just to, you know, take a break. I like how big the brush is. I feel much comfortable holding it this way because I feel like I have more leverage, or I feel like I can get to my hair that way. But if you try to hold it this way, this part is just way too big, and I feel like it's gonna be so uncomfortable trying to like blow dry your hair this way. It's not gonna work. But the problem with holding it this way is it gets really hot. So if it's hot, you're not gonna be able to hold it this way. So that's why I said I had to like keep switching the settings from like hot to low to cool. So yeah, that's the only con I don't like about this product. Obviously this is a blow dryer, not a straightener. It's not gonna get your hair like bone straight. So if you're looking for something to get your hair bone straight, this is not the right product for you. But if you just want to stretch your hair or blow dry your hair, then you should definitely get this. I think this is like I don't remember the exact price because I've had it for a while. I just never got the chance to use this. So it's probably like $35. I'm not really sure. You can double check on that. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box down below. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe down below, and make sure you click the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so you can get notifications from us when we upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.